intercoastal waterway. Sure is pretty. South Padre Island beach camping doesn't get much better than what you'll find at Isla Blanca County Park. The monthly rates at this park are deeply discounted, and I'll have a fee schedule for you at the end of the video. Enjoy the video. And that, folks, dead ahead of South Padre Island. It's a beautiful day today. Supposed to go up in the mid-70s. We are now on South Padre Island. This is the entry station in Isla Blanca County Park in South Padre Island, Texas. Let's go check the park out. This is an expansive park. I'll have to look at the map, but there's a lot of RV sites here. All the RV sites I've seen so far are full hookup. I'm only going to show you some premium sites, some sites that I would want to come back to if I camped here at Isla Blanca County Park in South Padre Island, Texas. Well, Melody and I are at Isla Blanca County Park on South Padre Island in South Texas. This goes out to the Gulf of Mexico. This is like a little lagoon area. You got people fishing along here. And in this county park, they have a huge RV park. And they also have an extensive beach area. Let's go check the beach area out. The county has a large seawall. It's a long seawall, and a lot of people are fishing here off the seawall, and this winds around to the public beach area. That's where we're going. Here's a view of the South Padre Island beachfront, is taken from Isla Blanca County Park. That's the Gulf of Mexico. And that is a jetty, and they have fishing all the way out that jetty. There are also people fishing this inner lagoon area. It stretches around the corner there. Well, Melody and I are going to continue down the beach here at South Padre Island and check out the beachfront. Look at all the shells that are on the beach. Melody found a starfish back there. She took some close-ups. Oh, she found one of those conchs.
I forget what they're called.
Yeah, whelks. Yeah. All kinds of different shells on the beach here on South Padre Island. Yeah, look at this shell Melody found. Isn't that something? Oh, she found another one. Look at all these shells. Wow. There are a lot of shells. This is a great shelling beach. Water's gorgeous today. They have a really nice beach pavilion area with covered seating here at Isla Blanca County Park. and you can walk right from the campground to the beach. Campground's right over there. Let's go check it out. Campground is just off to my left. But they have this nice walking trail that skirts the perimeter of the campground. And this is the picnic concession area. I believe the concession's closed because of COVID right now. But you can see, you can walk out to the beach from the concession area. Very nice concession area. Covered picnic tables. You have a restroom right next to it. And you have a beach view from the concession area, and that wraps around to where all those pavilions were. I'll give you another look at the beach in a little while. Fantastic facility they have here at Isla Blanca County Park. There's the concession area again, and this is another set of covered seating areas that they have that is right on the boardwalk, and then just over the dunes, the Gulf of Mexico. A gorgeous day today. There's Melody and Milo. Let's go catch back up with them and check some of these preferable campsites out. Site B216 is a nice site. Have a nice concrete sitting area. $30-50 amp electric service. There's your water hookup down there. And your sewer hookup is right next to where the water is. Pretty nice looking site. And you would have no one to your in front of your sitting area. You have the whole corner to yourself. Site B216 going down in the book at Isla Blanca County Park, South Padre Island, Texas. Site C270 is a nice site. You have that concrete seating area. You can get any size rig in there, full hookup, 50-30 amp. Going down the book, C270. Site 317 is a good site. You have a concrete seating area. Get any size rig in there, full hookup, 30-50 amp. Site C398 is a good site. You have a bricked seating area. And site C398 sits back in the corner pocket. You have a lot of room there. C212 is a nice looking site. You got plenty of room there. Very large site. Site C212 going down the boat. Site C210 also a very nice site. Site C208, very long site, lots of room there. Site B147 is a nice site, and you have that whole corner to yourself. Site B147. Site C28 looks to be a nice site. Nice concrete pad over there. C28 going down the boat. Site C29 also a nice site, and it's a corner site. Lots of room in there. Site C426, really nice site. Concrete sitting area. Asphalt back end campsite, full hookup, 3050 amp. Going down the book. Site C426. Site C453, very nice site. Concrete sitting area. And you're directly across from the ocean access, or the Gulf of Mexico access. Site C454, also a very nice site, directly across from the water access. Site S49 looks like a very nice site. You're not far from the ocean access. It's just over the dunes there. So there's nobody here. Let's take a peek at the electric hookups. S49. $3050 amp. Electric connection. There's your sewer and the water. Nice flat site. Just about any size rig can fit in there. Going down in the book. That's a nice site. Yeah, that site so far is my top site. S49. Long enough to get both my rig and my tow vehicle in there. Going down the book. That's where we just were. And I wanted to give you a feel for some of the layout of the park here. I'm gonna pan around. This is how gorgeous this park is. This is the lagoon area over here where all those folks were fishing. There's a seawall on the other side. And we have more camping up in here. I've only showed you some of the preferred campsites. There are hundreds of campsites in this county park. But wow. That's the lagoon area, and the Gulf beaches right out in front are just spectacular. My truck's parked up in there. Let's go check in on Melody Milo. The county park has a bait and tackle shop right here on the lagoon area. There's Melody Milo. And my kind of bait shop, man. They even sell beer. And they're open.
Yeah, that's what we did. This is good. I mean, we had sleds and stuff in there.
This is a very nice park. I'm going to show you the park map. This would definitely be worth splurging on. I'll show you some of the prices and give you a brief look at the park map. But this is within walking distance to a lot of the tourist attractions here on South Padre Island. It's a gorgeous beach, isn't it? This is all part of the county park. If you camp here, of course, there's no additional charge to come in and enjoy the day use facilities. But if you just want to come in for the day, I came in as a veteran. It was $5 to get in, and I believe it's $12 if you just want to come in and park and use the day use facilities. The map did not have the pricing on it, the map of the park. That's really what I wanted to show you. The sites here are between $40 and $60 a night. Most of them are $50 a night. The premium ones are more towards $60. Melanie and I gravitate toward affordable RV camping, as if you follow our channel, you're well aware. But this would be someplace we would splurge for a little while, because you have all the different activity, nightlife, all that down on the beachfront on South Padre Island that you can very easily walk to if you wanted to from the campground. And then of course you can just walk out here on this beautiful beach on the Gulf of Mexico. I think I'm going to leave it here. I'll have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description on YouTube. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.